Welcome back to channel Cloud Institution again. So today in this video we're going to see about real-time, interview question for AWS, which is EC2 user data again. Okay, so in the last video we have seen what is EC2 user data. Okay, so the interviewer may ask you the same question that okay, is it possible to view the EC2, the AWS EC2 instance user data content after the instance is created. Okay, so we know that how we can see, so how we can see the content during the creation. Okay, so in the last video also we have created the EC2 user data and we have connected it over the instance. So now is it possible for us to view the content, what are the content has been run, is it possible to view that one? Okay, so that is the question. So yeah, so we'll see how we can view that one. Okay, so I'm going to make console again. Okay, this is my EC2 console. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch instance. Okay, so in the launch instance I'm going to the type create a user called cloud institution. Okay, so EC2 user. So this is the the same kind of a format which we are following. Okay, so I'm going to create a Linux instance and then instance type and then keep a login. Okay, proceed without key pair, we don't need any key pair for this one. So I'm going to add HTTP, okay, traffic, because I wanted to connect the HTTP from here whenever it's created. Okay, so now if you come all the way down under the advanced setting, advanced details, if you come all the way down at the bottom, okay, you can see the user data option will be there. Okay, so now I'm going to copy the user data whatever has been copied last time. Okay, so if you didn't follow my video last, so which has been uploaded previously, please go and refer it. So this script will be installing, so updating yum and then installing that httpd and then starting HTTP service and enabling HTTP service. Okay, then it will create a hello world from the host name. It will put the output that hello world and then the host name is what the output, it can be added into this file. Okay, so now I'm copying this one and I'm just pasting it over here. Okay, so now this is the bash script, right? So now I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to launch the instance with these details. Okay, so instance is launched. Now it's going to work, right? So it'll take some time for the instance to create it. Okay, I'm going to open this instance here. Okay, so now if you can see here, it's pending. It'll take some time for this machine to provision. Okay, all right, this is just provisioned. Okay, it's just in a pending state. Okay, it's running now. Now this instance should be able to connect it, right? So if you're able to, if you're able to copy this IP address, if you paste it in here. Okay, after a few seconds, so this instance will serve the web requests because we have already, installed our instances. Okay, now I want to see, okay, for example, somebody else has created this machine. I want to see if anybody added any kind of EC2 EC2 user data. Then how can we do that? Okay, so if you want to check that EC2 user data what has already been provisioned or installed, I mean like added during the installation, then you click on actions, click on instance test settings, and click on edit user data. Okay, so click on edit user data. So the reason why it is very important is that you can just go and check whether is there any kind of an error is there or not. Okay, so this is the exact user data which you have copied over here. Okay, so you see here, so this is the exact user data which you have copied. Okay, now it is been, so this is the user data whatever it's been copied over here, right? Like we can verify whether this user data is been executed properly or not. Okay, so now what so what is so it can give you so to edit your instances user data, you first need to stop your instance. It's telling that I need to stop my instance, then I can edit my user data. Okay, for example, what I'm going to do is that, so before that I'm going to check whether my instance is running or not. Okay, so my instance is running and this is running serving the HTTP request. right? So if I want to edit it, if you want to edit something over here, I want to stop the instances. Okay, I'm going to stop it. Okay, all right, it's stopped. It's going to be stopped. Let's give it for a second. Okay, still stopping. Refresh. Okay, stopped. Now let's go back and see the edit instance settings. Okay, so edit user data. Okay, so now copy user data. Okay, so modify the user data as a text. Okay, modify the user data by importing file. So if you want to import a file, you can do it, but modify the user data over here. You can just modify the user data over here. Okay, so then, for example, if you want to add some of the lines over here, so for along with this one, you can also do that. Okay, so this is how you can just modify the user data based on your need. Okay, so hope you understand this question, right? So this is very important question, um, in terms of user data. So interview may ask you this question, so anytime, if you go for interviews, right? So it's good to be prepared on all these kind of questions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was really helpful for you to prepare your exam questions, right? So yeah, this is the answer which I already given. Like, as it can be viewed under the instance settings and then edit the user data option. Okay, so we already given that. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, I'll be keep posting all the technical and all the advanced technical cloud videos in the future. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video.